Hey everyone, Julie and I are on a small, I guess we call it a mini day trip.
Yeah, I guess.
Mini day trip to go check out Kaaterskill Falls. Last year we did Kaaterskill Falls at the other end. Now this is at the top end of it, if we can ever find it, because we saw signs and now we can't find any more signs, even though it says it's a dead end, yet
And yet it still keeps going.
Just keep going. So we're trying to figure out where these falls are. Hopefully we don't fall off. Ah! Not funny, Joey. But yeah, hopefully we find these falls. If not, it would be a really, really short mini day trip video. Julia and I are on foot now, walking to the falls. It's not that far of a walk. It says 0.3 of a mile. So, be there shortly. Now some of this is just the bottom part of the falls. Now we're gonna go up to the other side where we can watch from the top. Just walking casually, downhill, or uphill at this point. Up, down.
Down.
It's down, but we're going up. Explain that one to me.
So beautiful here.
She loves it. She thinks it's beautiful.
He just hit his head.
I just hit my head. I think I have a concussion. That bar I showed you in that last clip, or the couple clips before, hit my head on it because I was filming something. So I don't know what to say right now.
I can't. Look how beautiful this is filming.
Yep. See ya. Bye. Bye. Yep. There she goes. Bye. Bye. See ya. She makes fun of me, I'll just leave her, right? Oh, I can't leave her. Let's go back. It's so close, we can hear the water running. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. You gotta see this. Beautiful, right, Julia? Isn't this the craziest thing you've ever found?
Yes.
It's me. No, okay, yes, you are the most craziest thing I've ever found. But look at this. Mother Nature, just beautiful. That's all I could say here. So I think Julie and I are lost. We're at a fork in the road. We don't know which way to go.
This is trail, so I think we should follow.
It's still a fork though. It doesn't say trail left or trail right. I'll show you. Is that way or that way? We're gonna go this way. So if we get lost, all of Julia's fault. No, I wanted to go this way anyway. But still, we're gonna blame Julia because that's what we do. We blame Julia on this channel all the time. Always her fault. Always her fault. Well, thank you everyone for joining us on our mini day trip to Kaaterskill Falls, the top, because last year we did the bottom. We really do appreciate it. Hope you guys had fun. Wasn't that beautiful?
absolutely stunning.
I mean,
Oh my goodness, the view is amazing.
you don't have to talk about yourself. I mean, come on, we're talking about the waterfall. But
Yeah,
guys,
the waterfall was pretty too.
please go ahead, like and subscribe to our channel. Do whatever you got to do. We really appreciate it. You guys have a great day. See ya.